I'm Steve.
And I'm Judy, and we're in Calabasas. I found Brothers Construction from my hairdresser who had seen one of her clients' kitchens and said it was beautiful. I called up the client, who was very pleased with everything he did for her.
We met with David and interviewed him, and we liked what he had to say. We liked the recommendation of Judy's contact that she had, and it was a complete project from start to finish within the budget we wanted. The job was very well done. Couldn't have been done any better, frankly. David is tremendous attention to detail. The timeline was so precise. It was very scary, in fact, in that I'm an accountant, paying attention not just to the dollars, but paying attention to the time frame. And he stuck to it. We started right around just after Thanksgiving, and exactly what he said would happen week by week. He kept in contact with us, was throughout the entire project to completion. We would recommend Brother Construction in an instant. He was thorough, without any hesitation at all, to friends or family, to our best contacts that we have, without any hesitation, and would not recommend anybody else for them to say, check out this one too, check out that one too. They were superb in every aspect, and it was led by David, and that's what really mattered.
Thank you, David, for our new beautiful kitchen. Anytime you want to come and cook in it, you're welcome to.